Hello everybody, I got few parts here. um, let's see what we're gonna start with. Okay, let's start with this jacuzzi board. Okay, so this is the controller, and what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna show you the parts that I received and what I'm planning to replace. So those three relays, let's go one by one. So 1 2 3 relays, 1 2 3 relays. I'm going to replace these guys. I'm gonna have to throw the garbage. I have so much garbage. This terminal, also gonna replace this terminal. This terminal is identical and it will go this way. Okay, then I'm going to replace this capacitor. Right here. Garbage. And I just need 3 relays, but they just send them, or sorry, they sell them as a pair. Oh, cut myself. So I'm gonna replace this relay right here, and then those 2 relays. They have 4 legs each, and I will start. I'm going to start with the easy ones. The easy ones, they're all pretty much easy. There's nothing really hard here, but I'm going to start with this capacitor. Now make sure the minus, you remember to take a picture. It's very important where the minus is. You want to make sure the minus is right here, the same. So I'm going to take the capacitor off. There's 2 connections right here, I'll start with the capacitor, and remember the minus is by the red connector here, so just remember it. Some control boards, they have marking for plus and minus. By the way, there is a marking here for plus, so you know the opposite side is the minus. So you know that this is your plus and this is your minus. I'm back now, and I'm going to, so I installed the capacitor. Now I'm going to start with those relays. So those relays, one sec, I'm just going to put gloves because I have lots of cuts on my hands. Let's go. So every relay have 4 legs, so we're gonna start on installing them. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, next one is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, put some more flux. I don't think we need the multimeter. Let's turn it off. Where is my weak? Okay. They put this insulation here as well, so that's why it's a little challenging to take it out. So you just have to press on it, and then it should be, watch your hands though. Yeah, they don't want to come out easy. Let's see if I can pull this relay out. I got one relay out, now 2 more to go. I'm just gonna take them all out first, and then I will install them. That way it's gonna be faster. Hmm. Yeah. Let's try to put a little bit more flux and see if it's gonna help, but it doesn't want to come easy. You know what I'm gonna do? Just gonna pull it out the old-fashioned way. I got 2 out. Oh my goodness. The last one's giving the most problems, eh? Okay, you know what? I will try to connect this sucker and see if this will do the job. Otherwise, I have to just wait, I guess. Not sure why it doesn't want to catch. Maybe it's very old solder or something, I don't know, but doesn't want to. Or maybe I need more heat. I press it as much as I can. Okay, I think I got this one out, or some of the solder I got out. Oh goodness. Still not hot enough. Okay. Let's see if I'm gonna be able to just push it out this way. Okay, I got this out. Okay, all the relays are out, like all the 3 ones. Oh no, this came out with a trace line a little bit. Okay, it's not bad actually. Okay, let's install the new relays back. I got the first relay put in. The second relay, I don't like the way it sits. And then I need to put the third one. I think I got all of the relays in. Now I just have to install them. I think I got them all nice. Installed all those 3 relays. I just want to add a little bit more solder on this side. Perfecto. Okay, I got those 3 relays. The capacitor, actually the capacitor should sit a little bit lower, so let me just push it in a little bit. Perfect. Yeah, those 3 relays all good. I'm gonna clean everything up after. I'm gonna go and install this guy. So what you want to do, you want to make sure that this side, see how it is, it's on the back side, and then where your hot wires and the neutral is closer to this relay. Let's try this sucker and see if it actually works.